हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे प्लेन 3 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री के अंदर। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक प्लेन। 6 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन इस प्लेन से आता है 100% बोर्ड एग्जाम में। देखिए इन प्लेन देर आर थ्री पॉइंट्स। नंबर 1, इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म। इट मीन्स when the distance from the plane is given and the normal vector is given. That is the first point. Second point, if the plane passes through a point and perpendicular to the given direction. If a plane passes through one point and perpendicular to the given direction. And third point, if equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Only 3 points we discuss in this topic. कौन से हैं वो तीनों point? Number 1, equation of the plane in normal form. In this equation, distance of the plane from the origin is given and normal vector is given. Second point, equation of the plane passing through a given point and perpendicular to the given direction. And third point, equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. All three points are very important in the plane. And the equation of the plane in normal form. First, equation of the plane in normal form. Equation of the plane in normal form. Formula you know, vector r dot n cap is equal to d. N cap mean unit normal vector. N cap unit normal vector. And d is the distance from the origin. D is the distance from the origin. This is the vector equation. This is vector equation. And the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of the plane, that is Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. Or you can say ax plus by plus Cz is equal to d. Clear? In this plane, ABC are the direction ratio of the normal. ABC are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Clear? And LMN are the direction cosine. LMN are the direction cosine. Clear? Second point you know very well. Second point, coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from origin. Coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from the origin. The formula, that is LD, MD, ND. Coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from the origin. Suppose this is plane and this is origin 0 0 0, and you want to perpendicular from the origin. This is perpendicular. Coordinate of A. This is the coordinate of A. Coordinate of A. Coordinate of A. Coordinate of A. Clear? Second, this is second point. Now, third point. Equation of the plane. Third point. Equation of the plane. Equation of the plane passing through a given point. Passing through a given point and perpendicular to a given vector. This is very important result. इस रिजल्ट से 100% एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है. तो the situation is this is the plane and point A coordinate x1 y1 z1 and this is the perpendicular vector, normal vector you can say, given. The formula for this, that is vector r minus vector A dot n vector is equal to 0. Clear? N vector, this is equal to 0. And this is the vector equation and the Cartesian form you know very well. A x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to 0. In this equation, A, B, C are the direction ratio of the normal and x1, y1, z1 are called the point of the plane lies on the plane. This is formula number 3rd and formula number 4. Equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. This is the formula. Vector r minus vector A dot vector B minus vector A cross vector C minus vector A is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Here. Now the Cartesian form. Cartesian form x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the Cartesian form. This is the Cartesian form of the equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Mostly we use this concept because this is very easy. Next, intercept form of the equation of the plane. Next point, intercept of the plane. Intercept of the plane, you know very well. This is y-axis, x-axis, z-axis. Suppose this is plane. This is the plane, right? This is the plane. This is A intercept, this is B intercept, and this is C intercept. Origin. You can say x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. This is the equation of the plane in intercept form. A is called x-intercept, B is called y-intercept, and C is called z-intercept. Clear? The next, question number property number 6. Equation of plane passing through. Equation of plane passing through intersection of the two given plane. For example, this is the plane and another plane. This is first plane, this is second plane, plane number 1, plane 2, and you want to find the equation of this plane. Equation of plane, you want to find the equation of plane. Clear? The equation of plane passing through the intersection of a two given plane. The formula for this in the vector form vector r dot n vector plus lambda times n2 vector is equal to d1 plus lambda times d2. Lambda times d2. This is a vector form, and the Cartesian form. Cartesian form of the plane, that is a 1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1. This is the first equation of first plane, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two given planes. Very important point. You can learn like this: equation of first plane plus equation of second plane. You can learn like this: equation of first plane plus equation of second plane. Correct? Next, next point, the condition of coplanarity of two lines. Next point 7, condition of coplanarity of two lines. Condition of the coplanarity of two lines. हम इसमें प्रूव करना चाहते हैं कि two lines lies on the same plane. Two line on the same plane. The formula for this, there are two formulae. A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2, that is equal to 0. This is the first formula in the vector form. And the second formula, you can use this formula or another formula, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are the direction ratio of the line passing through 2 points, and A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. A1, B1, C1 direction ratio of the first line, A2, B2, C2 direction ratio of the second line. Clear? So this is the formula. Next, equation of plane containing two lines. Next, equation of plane containing two lines. This is the formula. Very important formula. Equation of plane containing two lines. A formula not given in the NCERT book. Clear? Very important formula. Equation of plane containing two lines. Suppose this is the plane and plane lies two lines like this. Clear? Equation of plane containing two lines. Then you can use this formula. Next, angle between in this chapter, angle between two plane, angle between two line, angle between line and plane are deleted from the syllabus for the section 2020 to 2021. Clear? In this chapter, there are three concepts: angle between two line, angle between two plane, and angle between line and plane are deleted from the syllabus. Clear? Now, condition for perpendicular. Condition for perpendicular plane. Condition that is, that A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3 is equal to 0. Clear? Correct? A1, B1, or you can say A1, A2, or you can say A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. You can use this formula because the same formula in the line, you can use this formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. And the condition for parallel plane, that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for parallel plane. Clear? The next very important formula: distance of a point from the plane. Distance of a point from the plane. Next topic. Distance of a point from plane. This is the point and this is the plane, and you want to calculate this distance A, B. The point given x1, y1, z1, and you want to calculate AB. Distance of a point from the plane. Formula. This is the formula, very important formula. A1x plus AX1 plus BY1 plus C Z1 minus B divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is very important formula. Distance of a point from the plane. Clear? Next formula: distance between two parallel planes. Distance between two parallel plane. Very important formula is not given in the study book. Note down. D1 D2 divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Clear? Distance between two parallel planes. This is very important formula. Now we start exercise 11.3. 11.3 question number 1. That is second part, B part. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 1. Determine the direction cosine of the normal to the plane and distance from the origin. 11.3 exercise, question number 1. Determine the direction cosine of the normal to the plane and distance from the origin. We want to calculate. Firstly, convert the statement is in the form of like this: ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, and we want to convert this form into lx plus my plus cz is equal to d. Correct? And you know that direction ratio 1 1 1, you know very well, 1 1 1. Therefore, dividing both side by root 3. Dividing both side by root a square plus b square plus c square. a1 b1 c1. So therefore, dividing both side by root 3. Therefore, 1 by root 3, x plus 1 by root 3, y plus 1 by root 3, z is equal to 1 by root 3. When you compare this with this, therefore the direction cosine 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and the distance from the origin, distance from origin, that is 1 by root 3. When you compare this with this, therefore the direction cosine of the normal element, and this is the distance from the origin, Here in this formula, this is distance from the origin, and in this formula, this is not the distance from the origin. This is first question of exercise 11.3. Next, second question. Find the vector equation of the plane. Find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 7 units and from the origin, and the normal vector is given. In this question, distance from origin is given, that is 7 units, and the normal vector is given, that is 3 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap. And the formula, equation of plane in normal form, formula very well you know, vector r dot n cap is equal to t. Vector r dot n cap, unit vector means vector divided by their magnitude, k cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap divided by their magnitude. Magnitude means square root of 3 square plus 5 square plus 6 square, that is 70. And this is the distance from the origin. This is the answer of this question. Correct? Question number 3. Find the Cartesian equation of the plane. Find the Cartesian equation of the plane. Question number 3. Vector r dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 2. And you want to find the equation of the plane in the Cartesian form. This is vector form. What is the value of r? R vector you know very well. X I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 2. When you multiply I with I, x plus y minus z is equal to 2. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. Question number 4. You know that 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12. In this question, find the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from the origin, correct? And the formula for the origin you know very well, LD, MD, and D. So firstly convert the equation in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. For this, dividing both sides, dividing both sides by square root of 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 2 by, that is 4 plus 9, 13, 13, that is root 29, x plus 3 by root 29 y plus 4 by root 29 z is equal to 12 by root 29. When you compare this equation with this, lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. Now can you tell me the direction cosine? डायरेक्शन कोसाइन होंगे इसके भाई, that is 2 by root 29, 3 by root 29, 4 by root 29, and distance from the origin, that is 12 by root 29, and the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular, coordinate of the foot of perpendicular coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from origin. Formula you know, LD, MD, ND, LD, MD, ND. LMN you know, LMN, and this is D. Therefore the answer of this question, 12 into 2, 24 by 29, that is 36 by 29 and 48 by 29. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from the origin. Question number 4. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5. Find the vector and the Cartesian equation of a plane passing through the point. Question number 5. Plane passes through the point, that is 1, 0, minus 2, and the normal vector is given, that is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Vector equation formula you know very well. Vector r dot n cap is equal to d. You can use this formula, vector r minus vector a dot n vector is equal to 0. You can use this formula for the vector equation. You know that very well. The equation of the plane passing through a given point and perpendicular to the given vector. You can use this formula, vector r minus vector a dot n vector is equal to d. Therefore, vector r minus vector a, I cap minus, with the help of this point you can create vector a, I cap minus 2 k cap is equal to dot n vector you know, that is I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 0. This is the answer in the vector form. Now Cartesian form. Cartesian form, the formula is very well, ax minus x1 plus b, y minus y1 plus c, z minus z1 is equal to 0. Clear? This is the formula for the Cartesian equation. Now, you know very well, the direction ratio of the normal from here, that is 1, 1, minus 1. Direction ratio of the normal 1, 1 minus 1. That is 1, 1 and minus 1. Clear? And this plane passing through the point 102. 102, it means you can write x minus 1, y minus 0 and z plus 2. Z plus 2, right? Therefore, the equation x plus y minus z minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane. Correct? Okay, students. Question number 5. Question number 6. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Question number 6. Points, B part, that is 1, 1, 0, and second point 1, 2, 1, and third point minus 2, 2, minus 1. Okay. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Probably know very well. X minus x1, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x1. You can apply this formula. y3 minus y1, z minus z1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1, that is equal to 0. Now x1, y1, z1, put the value just. Y minus 1, z, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 0, 1. This minus this, minus 3, and 2 minus 1, that is 1, and minus 1. Clear? Now expand by R1 using the properties of determinant. Expand by R1. First row, first column cancel. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus y minus 1. First row, second column cancel. 0 plus 3, that is 3, plus z. First row, third column cancel. This will cancel. Here also 3. 0. Clear? When you simplify, minus 2x plus minus 2x plus 2 minus 3y plus 3 plus 3z is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y minus 3z is equal to 3 plus 2, 5, minus 5, correct? This is the equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Here, again, just put the value x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. Here, you can write here 1, 1, 0, clear? After that, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 0, 1. This x3 minus x1, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, that is 1, and this, clear? After that, expanding by R1. Expanding by R1. Expand by R1. This is the answer. This is question number 6, very important question. Now question number 9. In this exercise there are three most important questions, 9, 10 and 11. 9. Find the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. That is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0, and x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0, and the point that is 2, 2, 1. Clear? Equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two given plane. Formula: equation of required plane. Equation of required plane. Equation of first plane: 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times equation of second plane: x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Clear? And you know that point 2 to 1 lies on the plane. 2 to 1 lies on the plane. Correct? If this point lies on the plane, therefore the coordinate of this point satisfies the equation of plane. You can put here these 2 points: x, y, z, 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus lambda. When you put here 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. This will cancel. 6 minus 4, 2 plus here this will cancel. 3 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. Lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. Put the value of lambda in equation number first. Put the value of lambda in equation number first. Put the value of lambda in equation first. You know that 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus value of lambda minus 2 by 3. Therefore x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. When you simplify this equation, देखो 3 3 is 9. 9x minus 2x, that is 7x. Minus 3y and minus 2y, that is 5y. 3 is 6. 6z minus 2z, that is 4z. And this is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 4. Minus 12 plus 4, that is minus 8, is equal to 0. This is the equation of the required plane. Clear? You will check very well. Very important question. Question number 10 as it is. Question number 10 as it is. Question number 11. Find the equation of plane through the intersection of two plane and which is perpendicular to the plane. Right? X plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number first. Second, and x minus y plus z is equal to 0. This is third. Clear? Equation of required plane. Equation of plane. Equation of first plane. Equation of first plane plus lambda times equation of second plane. Yes, you know very well. Equation of plane passing through the intersection of two given plane, and this is fourth equation, and you know that this plane is perpendicular to this plane. This plane is perpendicular to this plane. Situation is like that. This is plane. This is another plane. Okay. And one plane is perpendicular to this plane. This is plane number 4, and this is plane number 1. This is second, and the third plane is perpendicular to this plane. And you know that if two planes are perpendicular, then the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, can you tell me the direction ratio? Direction ratio of this plane, x plus 1 plus 2 lambda, when you collect these terms, that is 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 plus 4 lambda. This is the direction ratios. And the direction ratio of this, direction ratios 1 minus 1 1. And the condition for two planes perpendicular, you know very well, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Now multiply this with 1, therefore 1 plus 2 lambda, and this with minus 1, therefore minus 1 minus 3 lambda, plus 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 3 lambda, that is 3 lambda is equal to minus 1. You know that this will cancel. Therefore lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. Put the value of lambda in equation number 4th. That is the required solution. Put the value of lambda here. Lambda is minus 1 by 3. Put the value of lambda here. That is the required equation. Put lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. X plus y plus z minus 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. When you simplify, 3x minus 2x, that is x, 3y minus 3y 0, and 3z minus 4z, that is minus z, here minus 3 plus 5, that is 2. This is the answer of this question. Clear? This is the required solution of question number 11. Next, in this exercise, question number 12, deleted, correct? 14 question, find the distance of the point from the given. Question number 14, last question. B part, point is given 3 minus 2 1. And equation of the plane is given 2x minus y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. And we want to find the distance AB. Formula for this, 2x1 minus y1 plus 2z1 plus 3 divided by square root of 2 square minus 1 square plus 2 square. Now put the value of x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1, put the value. 3 to the 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 divided by the, that is here 3, therefore 13 by 3 unit. Clear? This is question number 14. Now your homework, try to solve this exercise. Okay students, and you know very well the exercise is very important the examination part of view. A plane very important topic. 6 marks question, इसमें से आता है 100%. Then revise firstly all the formulae thoroughly, understand, then try to solve these questions. Okay, thank you. Correct? Now your homework, do exercise 11.3. Okay.